19 minutes for 1.8 some sold, 0.799 almost 8, 0.79, 0.92 almost 1, 0.109, 0.89, 1.51. That's nice. 1 hour ago. So yeah, sales are going well. Pretty good. That's a good thing. Explore ranking. What is this? So something unique. VeeFriends, a Gary Vaynerchuk NFT project around meaningful intellectual property and an extraordinary community. Okay, that's it. And they got 5.49 Ethereum floor price. That's pretty good. Like that's huge. And where can I? Oh my god, what's the? Oh my god, some the the first art actually reminded me of ABC, which got pumped up in recently in Solana. These are okay. These are pretty good, but well, I just want to know like what they're about. Like what's their VeeFriends? What is VeeFriends? Okay, there's a YouTube video too.
This is Binance NFT.
Okay, which got almost 2 like views. That's nice. Oh, so that's like a famous YouTuber's collection, right? All right, version of Marvel. Okay, let's see. It got Gary Vaynerchuk NFT project. Yeah, that's it. Like it's just a famous YouTuber's collection. The project are meaningful intellectual property and external community. Okay, find out the latest VeeFriend updates. I see. What is VeeFriend? Okay, let's click on this. What is VeeFriend? VeeFriend, yeah, create VeeFriend should bring to his life his ambitions of building a community around his creative and business passion using NFT technology and their smart contract capabilities. By owning a VeeFriend, he meant to become part of the VeeFriends community and get access to Beacon. Damn. So that's just a community and to get access to Beacon. Okay, that's really what's Beacon. All VeeFriends or token owners get access to Beacon. Beacon is a multi-day event exclusively for NFT holders. Your NFT will give you 3-year access. Plus, the conference will be focused around business, marketing, ideas, creativity, entrepreneurship, innovation, competitions, and of course, fun. Gary's focus is to create the best experience for this community, bringing enormous excitement information value of all the VeeFriends token holders in attendance. If you own 2 VeeFriends tokens, that means you have 2 tickets of Bitcoin